Hey everyone, this is Eric Gardiner from Blackwood Realty Group, and I just wanted to make a quick video about home isolation and hanging out with the family a lot, and activities that we've done so far and activities that we're going to be doing to try and break up the monotony of everyone being home. But some things that we've done so far is do like video calls with friends and family. And so actually the kids I think are doing one right now with one of their friends, just to get out of them just always being together. And you know, we're just all on top of each other, it seems, when you're together all day, every day, forever. Another thing, get fresh air. So we've gone for some walks, some hikes, trying to stay away from other people, but that's been a fun activity. Also board games. So a lot of us probably still have board games from back when board games were popular. So our kids got into chess and checkers recently, so they got that for Christmas this year, so we're playing that quite a bit. And Anne's a huge Chinese checkers player, so we'll probably get that one out if she lets us. It's kind of a coveted game for her. Other things, scavenger hunts. So Anne did a scavenger hunt with the kids around the neighborhood. I guess she said it was really fun. I wasn't there, but that's a good option. Scavenger hunts. Build forts. So
this is our anchor over. And it's not even heavy.
And this is your pirate ship?
Yeah, it's very small.
So we got lots of boxes sitting around, big boxes from like, you know, bike stuff or other ship stuff. If you get stuff from Amazon, then you got boxes, you make a cool fort. We do that with blankets and pillows and the couch and chairs, and then they sleep in the fort that night. So that's usually what we do. That's what we've been doing to kill time in between other things, to keep the kids excited. Right now it's actually spring break in Salt Lake County, but last week it wasn't, and the next couple weeks it's not going to be. So while they're doing their learning, just got to figure out fun ways to keep kids occupied, keep us occupied also. But things Ann and I have been doing is trying to redial in on health, make a better morning routine or morning ritual. Definitely got out of that habit over the last couple months, but trying to refocus on that and refocus on centering ourselves.